Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. No, beta, don't open your booklets, right? So, girls, this is the assignment, the one we are going to do in today's class. That is a flyer, okay? Today we are going to design a flyer for an event. This is an event that has name Annual Book Fair. We are going to organize this book fair where in our school, and we are going to design a flyer to invite others so that they can come to our book fair and they can buy the books and they can read. Girls, when you are going to design a flyer for an event, you have to add, first of all, you have to add the title, where you have to give the name of the that event, that what is this event about. Then girls, you have to motivate, then you have to attract the reader, the other person to whom you want to invite, through different quotes, through different motivational sentences, that he should inspire and then should visit your event, right? So we have added few lines like, this is a book fair, and you know what we do over there, we buy the books, and what do we do with the books? We read them. So here we have added different codes for the benefits of the reading, like reading is a gift, every reader is a star, where books are the treasure, reading gives you superpower. We have added these inspirational quotes, motivational quotes, so that we can attract as many people as we can to our book fair, and they should visit us and they should buy books from us. Beside adding these sentences, we have added one attention grabber over here along with different stars, because you know we want to add something fancy to our publication. And here, instead of this shape, you can add the pictures of books or the book fair or even of your school, so that when there are a lot of pictures, the reader can get a thing easily from the pictures, okay? And girls, here is another thing that is applied that was not in the previous assignments, that we have applied a different outline layout or to this rectangle. Instead of having a solid outline like you can see on this shape, this rectangle is not having solid outline, it has dotted outline, okay? So today we will do that as well. First of all, this one is a word art, this is a second word art, this is a shape, these are also in shapes. This is a shape rectangle, this one is we have added with the help of a text box, okay? This is also a text box, this is a text box, and here is a shape, and here is the logo of our organization. One thing that I want to clear before starting this assignment is, this time you can select, you can choose the template of your own choice, you can choose the color scheme of your own choice, and you can add any picture, any shape related to this event. You have an open choice this time. I want to see the creativity of my student, that how much they have learned MS Publisher and how much they can work in MS Publisher, right? So let me open the Publisher first, then we start working on this assignment. What's the first thing we need to do over here? We have to select the right size for our flyer. This is the size, the one we are going to use, that has number 8.5 into 11, and if you want to check it through a word, it has portrait orientation, right? So we are here. Yes. Like your skin is like rose petal. Okay, so what is the first thing we need to do over here, girls? We have to save it first. So click on File, click on Save, and you have to save it in the same folder you have created for this purpose on your desktop. And here is the naming convention that you have to use, like assignment word, assignment number, that is number 5, then its type, it's a flyer, then who is going to make, your name, then your grade, and then your section, that is for B, and click on Save. Right, the template I'm going to use it over here, because I'm here to click page design, then change template. First I click on the home button, and then I click on the flyer, because the publication we are going to design is a flyer, right? And that is an event, that flyer is a type of an event. So I'll go to the events category that I want to see the designs of flyer for all the events, right? So I'll click over here. Then guys, here is the template I'm going to use, but you are free to choose any, right? So I'm going to click this one that has the name borders, right? Select it and click on OK. Second thing I'm going to do over here is I'm going to choose color scheme for my flyer. So click over here. Yes, beta.
Teacher, it is different from the one in booklet.
Let's choose the color scheme first, beta. We have not chosen the color scheme yet. So girls, this is the color scheme I'm going to choose, and it has them contours, and you can select any. Okay, this time you have an open choice, so I have selected this one. I'm not going to apply any page border because according to me the white background is looking fantastic. All right, after this goes, after applying the color scheme, let me delete all of these unwanted objects because I will add my own word art and shapes. So first thing that I want to add at the top of this flyer is the name of the organization, that is the Pakistan International School where we are going to organize this book fair. So come here to the insert tab, click on this word art, and here is the style of the border, the one I'm going to choose. And girls, if you have selected any other color scheme, you have to select the word art that will go with that as a color scheme. Okay, you can have to see that if you have chosen any other color scheme, then which one will go well with your scheme. Okay, so you have to carry. The one I'm going to use is over here. It is filled with purple color, and I'm going to type Pakistan International.
Teacher, which white eye did you use?
I use the one that has purple color. I'll show it. Okay, let me complete this one. Okay, because I cannot go back from this stage. Let me type it on Riyadh and click on OK. Girls, if you want to see that which one I have chosen, it's here, word art, and I used this one. All right.
Teacher, is this assignment 5? Okay.
Yes, this is assignment
Teacher,
number 5. Yes.
teacher, the template. Which template?
This is borders. It has name borders. Girls.
See which category it was in.
Yes.
Flyers events.
Yes, you have to go to the flyers and all events, but please don't select the template right now. First, you have to understand all the steps. You have to stay with me, right? So, girls, yes, after adding the word art, we have to adjust its size, then we have to put it at its right position, and make sure that no shape, word art, text box, or a picture should be outside this border. Okay, they should be inside this one. We are done with the top word art. Now it's time to add a shape. You can add anything from the advertisement even. I'm going to add this attention grabber that has a star shape, and the name of this shape is explosion. Let me make the size big. And first, what we will adjust, girls, it's shape fill, and then
Shape
shape
fill.
outline.
Shape outline.
So can I go for the blue one, because here we have the dark red border, and I think the blue is of its contrast one, right? After setting these two options, we are going to add text inside. So right click over here and click on the option
Teacher, for the shape fill, you choose no fill or white?
white attention. And then once you have done with the typing, select the text, go to the second format, and you can choose any font face, or you can make it bold, italic, underline, and you can click on these two A's to see that which font size is appropriate or suitable for this text, because we have to check it according to the size of this shape. I don't know you are going to draw a smaller picture or a bigger one, so I'm not going to specify any size over here. Just keep on clicking this one and check which one is appropriate or which one is going well with this shape size, but do not forget to align it to the center. And if you want to make it bold, it's totally up to you. See, that's why I'm using these two. That's done. Now I will click on the insert and I will add the pictures of stars over here because we want to decor our publication, and you have to fill color inside.
Teacher, and the picture where you wrote attention for the pictures shape fill, you choose white or you choose no
White.
fill.
White. You can see, you cannot see the shadow of this word art through this shape. That's why because I have filled it with the right color. If I have selected the no fill, then you would have been able to see the shadow of this word art through this shape. Okay, can you see the shadow through this picture, the shape? No, that's why, because I have filled it with the white color. Okay girls, I have copy pasted this shape 3 times. Now I'm going to change its shape fill to other colors. Let be it a red one and this one, and you can change any shape outline accordingly. And this one I'm going to change it to, can I go for green? That's it. Now girls, I'm going to add a text box because I want to add these 2 lines over there, and as you know, we cannot type anything directly to our or on our publication page. If you want to type something, you have to draw a text box over there. So there are 2 options from where you can draw a text box, either from the home tab or you can go to the insert and you can get it from there. Okay, it's available under 2 tabs. So click on the draw text box and draw the text box like a shape where you want to add that text. The benefit of drawing the text box is it doesn't have an outline and you can straight away type inside. No need to right click on it and then you have to use add text. What do you want to add over there? Let me check from the booklet. Reading is a gift. Every reader is a star. Let me turn on the caps. Oops. Reading. Can anyone guide me? What was written over there?
Reading is the gift. Every reader is a star.
Yes, good. Do you have this habit of reading, girls?
I love many books I can read.
Good job. It's better instead of watching the gadgets or staying for a long time in front of the screen. It's better to read the books. Okay.
Teacher,
After
my sister
you
can
use the
finish up a
Dropbox?
book in just 15 minutes.
good.
Teacher,
Yes,
I
beta,
start.
draw text box.
Teacher, I started reading when I was 4 years old.
Good job. Well done. Well done. Okay, guys. You can go for any font face, size, and color. It's totally up to you. Okay. I have added this text and then I selected it. I made it size bigger and then I clicked on this B for bold. And now I'm not going to do anything over here. That's done. The thing I'm going to add over here is another word art where I'm going to invite the one who is reading this flyer. So click on insert and then click on the word art, and the same word art I am going to select again, the one I used here, and it's here. What we will write over there, girls?
And
2 hour, and click on OK. The benefit of using word art is your text looks fantastic and you can change the size simply with the help of these circles, right? Now, what is the next thing we are going to add? A rectangle. So insert, shape, a simple rectangle shape. Sorry, beta.
what does come to our mean?
Mean कि we have come to our annual book fair. Half sentence is here. The other part of the sentence is here in the heading. Got it?
Yes.
So this is the first part of your sentence, and the second part of the sentence is here. Come to our annual book fair where all books are treasure, right? And for girls, after adding this shape, make sure it's in the center from the right and from the left, okay? And then go to the format tab. You have to change the shape fill to any other color, the one you want to add, and you have to check what color scheme you are following and which one will look give better. So I'm going to add this color as a shape fill, and for the shape outline you can see here the shape outline is not a solid layout, it is in the dotted form, dashes. How you can do that? As you know that dashes are in the shape outline. So go to the shape outline, and then you have to go to the dashes, and here's an option. With the help of that you can apply any style of the dashes to your, what you can say, shape. Wait girls, let me check. Yes. So first I'll change its shape outline to the dashes. Is this thing clear to everyone? How to change shape outline dashes? Please look at the screen if you still didn't get it.
Teacher, we also can change the same way to change the dashes was also in PowerPoint.
Yes, beta, we learned this, but we used this a long time before, right? Okay, now after adding dashes as shape outline, let me add text over here, the annual book fair, and where books are treasured. So right click over here, select the option add text. Let me type annual book fair. In the next line I will add the text of where the, what is the sentence over there, where books are the treasures. And then an exclamation mark. Girls, after adding these two lines, let me finish it, okay? After adding these two lines, I'm going to select the first line only, because these two lines have different formation. This has bigger font size, it has red font color, and it's written in a different font face. This one is in the black color and it's written with a different font face. So I'm going to select these two lines one by one. Select the first line, go to the second format tab, because this is the text format, and you can go for any font face, and let me make it size bigger. You have to check which one is better, okay? Then you have select the color, the one you want to add, and then let me select the second one over here, and then you can select the font face, the one you want to use. If you want to use that is in the booklet, I want to show the name of that font face. It's here, it has name Chiller. Girls, if you want to add the font face, the one that is in the booklet is here, its name is Chiller.
Our annual book fair, isn't it in the middle in
Yes
the
beta,
booklet?
yes.
Teacher, can you tell how
Let,
to get the outline in the box of it?
okay, wait.
Which is written?
Let me adjust. First I will change their font face, and then I will align them to the center. Okay, let me make it bold as well, and then I will select these two and I will align it to the center. Girls, if you want to know how to change the outline to the dashes, go to the first format after selecting this shape, and here's an option dashes. Okay, right, here's an option of dashes. Yes, what is the next thing, girls?
You have to write Pisces in the organization.
Yes.
And then you have to write address Riyadh KSA, then email, then www.piscesriyadh.com.
Yes. So first I'll click over here. I have to add the name of the organization, that is Pisces. And then girls, as you can see under this rectangle we have,
To make a shape.
yes, first I will add a text box over here where I have to mention the date of this for this book fair and the time. So let me click on the insert, click on a draw text box, and I'll draw a text box over here, and let me type over here April 21st 21 2021, and then what was the time mentioned over there? You can type any time, okay? This is a proposed on flyer, not a final one. Change its color or the size and the font face, whatever you want to do with it for its formation. You don't want this one, delete it. Remove all unwanted text boxes, right? Because if you want to keep it this organization logo to over here at this corner, it's totally up to you. I'm going to add another text box because I will add the address where this book fair is going to be, right? So address, and then in the second I will add the phone number where you can do make a call where you can get more details, and then email, and then we will mention our school's website or the
Can
website of
I
the.
add April 1, 2021 to 6 p.m.?
Yes, you can mention, no issue. So girls, after adding these details, you have to add picture because this corner is blank. We want to add something over here. You can add the pictures of books over here. You can add the picture of your school over here. You can add the picture of the book fair over here. Now girls, I'm going to add a shape over there. So insert shape, and this is a shape I'm going to add, but you have to add the pictures. Okay, I'm going to add it over here. Let me change its shape fill to the white, and shape outline I think we can go for the red. And then inside this one I will add another quote, inspirational one: reading gives you superpower, right? Reading. Now let me format this one according to the, sorry, this one, and align it to the middle, and let me take it to the next line. Yes, we are done with our flyer. If you want to see the whole page, it's here in front of you. Now girls, if you have any question, you can raise your hand, and if you are using a laptop or a desktop right now, turn on quickly, open MS Publisher and start working. Yes, Mahira.
Teacher, in the page, there was something written under Pakistan International School, and I don't know how do we write that? Do we just type it, or is it also word arc?
This one.
Yes.
Beta, we have added a text box with the help of this option, draw text box, and then we typed inside. Okay,
Okay.
got it? First you have to click over here, then you have to draw a text box, then you have to add these two lines, the one you can see under this Pakistan International School. Okay, yes girls, quickly start doing your work. If you have any question, you
Teacher,
can
can you
raise your hand.
get your screen back?
Yes beta, let me show it. It's here.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Girls, I have distributed a page to submit this assignment. Kindly finish and upload it today. And I have mentioned this homework in your diaries as well.
Metaphors METEFOR. Teacher, can I select the same template as you? But
Yes,
the
beta.
different
You
color
can
scheme?
choose this one. If you want to go for any other one, you can apply, no issue. But try to add different things. Try to add more things. You have to show your creativity. How much do you know about the MS Publisher?
Teacher, can I add scallops?
Yes, you can add, beta.
Teacher, is it okay if I change the reading is a gift, every reader is a star? Is it okay if I write that in a different color?
Yes, it's totally up to you. You can select any font face, color, and size, and even you can make it bold, italic, underline. I gave you an open choice for the formation, for the design, for the color scheme as well.
Teacher, can I color the attention red?
Yes, why not?
Teacher, for reading is a gift, you added a text box.
Yes, that's the text box, beta. This one. Any question you can ask me right now, girls. Zoha, Zainab, Tuba, Abiha, Shazeen, Sara Irfan, Sara Ali, Nawal, Manahil, Mahira. Any question, girls? You can raise your hand. You can ask Hafsa, Ayla, Anusha, Amna,
I
Alina.
don't have any question.
Okay, beta.
Teacher, can you show the page?
Yes, it's here. Girls, if you have any question, you can ask me right now. And if you don't have any question, you can end this meeting right now. Okay. Thank you so much and have a nice day, everyone.